The second graders at Spicewood Elementary. Hey, clouds and radar right now setting the stage for things to come. This cloud cover you see here along the southwest flow brought in by the Pacific down at the surface. We've got a southerly flow bringing in moisture off the Gulf. I mean, our atmosphere is going to become saturated enough to really let loose once we get a trigger here, once we get some lift by an approaching storm that will squeeze out that rain from the clouds. In the meantime, our temperatures statewide 50s, 60s and 70s. Most of central Texas is in the 60s this morning. We've got dew points in the 60s as well. Again, the closer that temperature and dew point are together, the more humid it is. So you'll probably notice that difference this morning. Drier air backed out all the way out to the west. So we're waiting. We're waiting on this storm system. We're starting to get a little piece of energy in here later today. So the rain chances start low this afternoon at about 10 to 20%. We're still going to get in some good warming. So highs will be in the 80s. But really the first round comes in later this evening into tonight. So here's how I think it's going to play out. I agree with this in-house computer model showing more clouds than sun through the day, maybe a daytime shower or two, but really once we get into the afternoon, you're starting to see a few more isolated showers and then some pockets of heavier rain and storms getting into tonight. And this will carry us into the overnight hours. I don't love what this computer is showing for tomorrow, so let me show you a different computer because I think this one has a better handle on how tomorrow will play out. With some spotty showers, potentially scattered to widespread at times. You can see pockets of heavy rain continuing Thursday night into Friday as well. So this will come in rounds and won't rain all day, every day. But as far as the totals go, I've got one computer showing, hey, we could see anywhere from 2 to 3 inches by the time we hit the later part of tomorrow night. I'm not going to go that aggressive, but I think there's certainly potential for a few pockets of more than 1 to 2 inches. This is going to be in general 1 to 2 inches along and east of I-35, lesser amounts in the hill country. The big bullseye will be to the south. Corpus Christi could see a flood of rain in spots down there. So South Texas, coastal Texas really going to get hit hard with this system. I think we're just going to be looking at potentially a few pockets of isolated heavy rain and potentially a few spots of some severe storms too. Gusty winds will be the threat there. So as you can see, 7-day really top heavy with action. We've got a 30% chance of rain tonight, scattered on and off showers and storms to widespread showers and storms Thursday, Friday. This weekend, nice and dry. Cold front comes through, minor rain chance late Sunday into early Monday. Temperatures will be in the lower 80s after that. Not seeing any significant hail threat, which is a little